I use the Sennheiser XSW-D system. I own 2 different lav kits, and each kit includes the Sennheiser ME2 lav mic. This is a single closed system, so each lav or audio in pairs with a separate wireless audio out. It doesn't include any preamps or ways to adjust the audio like other systems, so think of this as an invisible XLR cable. You just turn the mic on, receiver on, wait till they find each other, and you're good. I usually use the lav with the 3.5mm directly plugged into the camera. I find that it works great for 90% of what I do, which is these Instagram videos or my work YouTube videos. When I want to have more flexibility with the audio and take advantage of my Zoom's 32-bit float recording, or I need to plug it directly into my Atomos, I'll use this XLR male receiver. This has worked great for my socially distant interviews. I haven't noticed any interference and haven't had any trouble with range since I keep my subject and camera pretty close to each other. And that's it, my simple setup.